Hello các cậu, lại là mình Bu nè. Mình sẽ làm cái xe gì leo danh tử Chiến nha. Hiện tại mình đang Bạch Kim 3. Ok, không làm mất thời gian các cậu nữa, bắt đầu thôi.
First blood.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all the night on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a match. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. I'm always learning better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, so she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated. So the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah.
Triple kill.
You got a body like a coke thing. Keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body that you show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
First blood.
I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late.
First blood.
I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. She got bad intentions. She got a body like a coke thing. She's like going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
First blood.
I want that body, baby, show me.
Triple kill.
She's got a body like a coffee. She likes to keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely.
Double
That
kill.
body, baby, show me. Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be nothing conscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this. I will not quit, I'm on it, honest. I'm gon' launch quick, and I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, vibe I'm rocking. And they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow the time and just enjoy the vibe. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I suck this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Dark darkness, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Pop it, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, better back, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack, get a back, go react, go react. Think I'm black, off his back, all my raps, not the snap. Going down, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, not a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get the nod, and I'm right, yeah.
Double kill. Double kill.
Yeah, I've been in and out the studio like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Here I go, all these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, would you rate me? All the social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real time. Talk about the real time, passionate in real rhyme. Steal time, bad from my 9 to 5. Taking back my fucking life, I just wanna feel alive. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it,
Double kill.
yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro.
Double kill.
Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these.
Video đến đây là kết thúc rồi, tạm biệt các cậu. Hẹn gặp lại ở những video tiếp theo.
Factions take actions, trapped in their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I don't fucking ask.